Hidden treasure, Dodge Charger model 1967 almost disappeared in the junkyard. What a depressing sight. The 1967 Dodge Charger was a very cool car, but those days are long ago. It is unclear how long it hid among the foliage, but now it was found and taken out of the captivity of Mother Nature and is preparing to travel to a new home. Restoring this handsome will be a pretty serious financial undertaking. So let's take a closer look at the car to see if the future owner made a mistake when he bought the Charger on eBay for $5,000. While the car was at the auction, 98 people made bid, so at least 50 people saw the point in buying this legendary muscle car. If we talk about visuality, everything does not look as bad as it might seem at first glance. It certainly doesn't make sense to pretend there isn't much work ahead, but first impressions aren't that bad. There are some problems with rust, but this is not surprising at all for such long parking in the forest. The body has corroded holes at the bottom and underside of the car, but everything else looks pretty promising. There are no signs that frame of the windshield and rear glass are damaged by corrosion, and the body did not seem to suffer from accidents. Judging by the primer, someone clearly started repairs but did not achieve much success. With the engine compartment, also nothing is clear. On the one hand, there is almost full completeness, and on the other hand, it is not clear in what condition the engine is, and there are too many foci of corrosions. Here is an 8-cylinder 383 engine with a capacity of 325 horsepower, which in its past years ran quarter mile in 15 seconds. With the interior, also, things are not simple. Is it still there or is it not? See for yourself. Condition like a garbage bin. But what a fantastic design on the dashboard. Even now it looks nice. The automatic transmission level is stuck in the drive position, which at least hints at a gearbox malfunction. Perhaps there are interior elements that could be saved, but this will only become clear after a complete disassembly of the car. The fact is that a similar car in good condition can be found for about $30,000. So, if we count, 5,000 has already been spent on the car itself, and how much will all further repairs will take. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye bye.